All right, let's get into it. Today, we're taking that huge first step into the world of Java. We're going to get you set up with the one single tool you absolutely have to get started.
Because that's the whole point, right? You've got an idea buzzing around in your head, and Java is how you're going to make it real. So think of this installation less like a chore and more like turning the key to start your engine.
And that tool is the JDK, the Java Development Kit. Seriously, think of it as your entire workshop in a box. It's got the compiler, which, turns your code into something the computer can actually understand. And it's got the runtime environment to actually run your program. It's the whole shebang.
Okay, so now that we know the what and the why, let's jump right into the how. We're going to break this down into 4 super clear steps.
Here is our roadmap. First, we download the toolkit straight from the source. Then we run the installation, which is way faster than you'd think. After that, we tackle the most technical sounding bit, setting the system path. But don't worry, we'll walk right through it. And finally, we get to confirm that everything worked. 4 simple steps, and you'll be ready to code. Let's do it. Step 1 is just getting our hands on the JDK. Time to go to the official source. Okay, first things first, we're going straight to Oracle's website. It's always, and I mean always, a good idea to get your tools from the official publisher. That way you know it's secure, stable, and the real thing. So just find their Java Downloads page. Now, once you're on that page, you're going to see a few different options. For pretty much any modern Windows PC, the one you're looking for is the x64 installer. The key here is to look for the file that ends in .exe. That .exe just means it's an installer, a program that's going to do all the heavy lifting for us. All right, file downloaded? Awesome. Now, believe it or not, we're at the easiest part of this entire process. Let's get that installer running. No, really, it's pretty much this simple. Find that file you just downloaded, double-click it, and let it do its thing. A progress bar will fill up, and when it's all done, you'll see a close button. Just click that and you are finished with this part. And just like that, boom. The core software is now sitting on your machine. You've officially installed the Java Development Kit. We're already halfway home. Okay, so this next part, I'll admit, it sounds a little intimidating, but I promise it's totally logical. We've put the tools in the workshop, and now we just have to leave a note for the computer so it knows where to find them. So what in the world is the system path? The easiest way to think about it is like your computer's contact list for programs. When you type a command, your computer flips through that list to find the right tool. If Java's address isn't in there, it's just going to say, sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. We're about to add Java to the contacts. So how do we edit this thing? You're going to open up your system properties and look for something called environment variables. Inside there, you'll see a list. The one we care about is named path. Just click on that, hit edit, and you're ready for the next move. So once you're editing the path, you'll see a list of all the places your computer already knows how to check. To add ours, you're just going to click the New button. It'll give you a nice, fresh, blank line to work with. And this is the magic part. You're going to paste in the exact address. Now, to find this, you'll navigate to where Java was installed. It's probably in your Program Files folder. Go into the JDK folder, and then, this is the important part, go into the bin folder inside of that. Copy that full address from the top of your File Explorer and just paste it right into that new blank line we just made. Once you've got that path pasted in, go ahead and click OK to save the new entry. But wait, here is the single most important final step. You have to click OK on the main environment variables window too. That second OK is what actually saves all the changes. A lot of people miss that, so don't be one of them. And that's it. That was the most technical part, and you're through it. You've downloaded the tools, you've run the installer, and you've given your computer the address. Now for the fun part, the moment of truth. This is it. After all that, how do we know for sure that it actually worked? Well, there's one final check we can do that'll give us a definitive answer. To get your confirmation, you're going to open up a brand new command prompt window. And in that window, just type Java, a space, a dash, and the word version. Then hit enter. When you see a bunch of text pop up telling you the Java version, that's it. That's the victory screen. It means your system found the address, it found the tools, and your Java installation is successful. You are ready to go. So you're not just someone who wants to code in Java anymore. You're a Java developer. The toolbox is open, the path is clear, and you're ready to build. So, the only question left is, what amazing thing are you going to create first?